Located in Sarawak, Malaysia, the Batang Saribas Bridge project is one of the longest bridges of single bridge projects in Southeast Asia. We provide a comprehensive bridge solution for this project, including a variety of steel formwork products. At present, cofferdams of the approach bridge and main bridge, bent cap, T-beam, pier have been installed for the first time. Our arc formwork can be roll forming at one time. Our steel formwork products can be reused and has good economic benefits. We can offer the most suitable products and complete construction plans based on project characteristics. Currently, the first set of bent cap formwork has been successfully poured, and the first pouring of the first main pile cap was successfully completed, marking a phased progress in the construction of the bridge's substructure and laying a solid foundation for the main construction of the bridge. The main pile cap is oval in shape and uses our steel cofferdam. It has the characteristics of complex construction environment and large structural scale. Our cofferdam uses high-strength steel, easy to be driven to a hard level in the ground. It has good waterproof performance and can be constructed in deep water, meeting the high demands of production, scheduling, and safety control. At the project site, we provide engineering guidance services, constructing the installation of steel formwork products. We also provide full process project services, including design, analysis, and delivery. With our exceptional services, we assist clients in realizing their projects efficiently.